Basically just compare the Z950 with the RZR 1000 XP.
I don't have any gauges.
For real? Okay, we got a slight issue. Gary's instrument panel stopped working. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today we are loaded up, headed to Maumee. Guess who's pulled up right next to us? It's freaking Gary. Ready to go?
Yep.
It's gonna be a fun day. Alright, I want to interrupt this video real quick. Got this in the mail, an unexpected box from 3-Star Industries, and they sent me a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Super awesome hat. I like the American flag part on the side of it. 3-Star Industries cup with a straw. I honestly didn't even know they had merch stuff like this. Oh, that's nice. So we've got that in red, like color is that, like a charcoal gray? Charcoal gray. Charcoal gray. Oh, this one's cool. Green with camo. Kind of an orange with camo. Dude, they're super soft too. And it's like direct to garment, I think. You can't even feel the print.
Oh my gosh, they're so soft. I like that.
This one here, it's like a heather gray and a blue. Oh, this one's different. 3-Star Impressions. www.3, like the number 3, siprinting.com.
There it is.
So 3-Star Impressions, 3siprinting.com, 859-405-0596, and it looks like they can just direct to garment print on just about anything. This one's super cool.
That's sweet.
I like that one a lot. Oh, this one's cool too.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it's long sleeve too.
Yeah, that's neat.
And the hoodie, this hoodie's awesome.
That's sweet.
Yeah, thank you. This hoodie right here is awesome. And a couple things of beef jerky. Thank you, 3-Star Industries. So now if you start seeing me wearing these in all my videos, don't think I'm just wearing the same one over and over. I got a bunch of different ones. Matter of fact, I think I'll put one on right now. What do I want to wear? Gary, come pick one of these. I'll take the ones that I want to keep.
Oh, yeah.
You want to put yours on fancy too?
I don't know how to do that.
Well,
Can I
hey.
just throw mine on over it?
Yeah, here, just stand right there. It's like magic. That easy.
That was fast.
All right, guys, so we made it. We're here at Mommy. Gary's right back over there. Today we're gonna do a multitude of tests. You'll probably see this in a few different videos, but we're gonna do stuff on the track, some drag racing, basically just compare the Z950 with the RZR 1000 XP and see if this thing can go where that thing goes. Now that we've got comparable wheels and tires and everything's set up a little more similar, we figured now would be a great time to do that. So we're gonna ride, we're gonna have some fun, we're gonna bring you along for all of it and just show you how the Z950 stacks up against the XP 1000. Helmet harnesses are a must here if you're on the track. I'm gonna take Gary around, let him get kind of familiar with it. Go slow at first.
I don't have any gauges.
For real? They come on at all or no?
When I backed off, it
Well, that's not good. Okay, we got a slight issue. Gary's instrument panel stopped working. Trying to figure out why. So we'll be back soon to figure that out. So as you see, it might just be possibly a blown fuse. I don't know. We're going to get some other fuses to check. Fuse doesn't look blown, but maybe it is in a spot that we can't see or something. But it just goes to show you that all manufacturers have issues. I mean, Gary, his is brand new, way more brand new than mine. And, you know, he's already had to replace the speed sensor, and now this is popping up as an issue. And he doesn't really want to ride because he doesn't want it to overheat. He wants to be able to, you know, pay attention to temperature and that sort of thing, which I totally get and I totally understand. So it just goes to show you, you know, brand name doesn't mean everything. Okay, so we're going to take it to Linton, pulled it up on the trailer, and it started working. So we think it might be a miscommunication with the phone charger when it's plugged in. But let's get to it now.
like going down. I'll be the last man standing. The last man standing. You know I never bend and never break. I'm the heavyweight with all the answers. I'm the last man standing. I'm the last man standing. I drew a line into the sand 'cause I only plan to be the last man.
Okay, so we're gonna do some laps around the track. I've got my phone here. We're gonna do some times. So I'm ready whenever you are, Gary. We do have the GoPro on Gary's machine, so we'll be able to double check the time just to make sure that we're accurate. I don't even know that you can see that. Okay, he's coming around. We're at 52 seconds. Lap 1, we got it 102. 102.64. I'm sure he'll probably pick it up a little bit on this one. Felt boy's one thing, he is consistent. Woo! So I just start it, right? And then after you start it, it'll let you, once I cross, it'll let you hit a thing that says lap right there. And it'll keep the different lap times. Like your first one was 102, your second one was 102. I just hit start, and then we'll just do me as lap 3 and 4.
Ain't bad.
No.
Once you get a couple laps in, then you get. When you are. basically 103 something, and then your second one was 103.35. So about the same time.
Okay. I'll just take a screenshot of that.